Alright, I'm gonna check the static pressure on my furnace. It's a 2010 American Standard, 80,000 BTU, high efficiency, single stage, with a PSC blower motor. So here I have one hole in the blower compartment, turn air side. So I'm going in, showing you that. The manometer is zeroed out, going in, tip facing the airflow, and level out for a second. Seems kind of high. I'm moving it around. Before I did it, it started at about 0.43, and after it was running for a little bit, dropped. Okay, we're gonna go with minus point. There we go. It did drop after it ran for like 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to go with minus 0.45. And then I have this one up here, so it'll go towards the airflow. There. That one is reading positive 0.3, we'll call it. So I have a minus 0.45, minus 0.45, and a positive 0.3. So I'm at 0.75 inches water column for static pressure. I found my furnace number there. I am on, here's 0.8. I checked, I'm on the blue wire, so it is around 1200, 1197, between 1197 and 1139 for CFM. So we'll just call it 1150. If I go down to here, my temp rise, which I'm checking at the moment, if I'm around 1150, 59, so it should be about 62 degrees of temp rise. 74 degrees in the house because I just turned it up. It was warm today, and I am getting 118 degrees, so I'll figure that out in a second. 74 degrees return, 118 degrees supply. Have to figure out the difference there. Like 54. Is that right? 44. So my temp rise should be higher, which means I can slow my blower down. So I had 44 degrees temp rise. I'm on the blue wire, so I'm gonna turn the gas off. I'm gonna reduce my static pressure from the 0.75 and increase my temp rise when I change the blower speed here. So I'm on medium high. Turn my gas back on. I turned it off for a second to cool it down. So I'm looking over here. My blower speeds are, they're hard for you to see, but this black one's on cool, the blue one's on heat, and the red and yellow are spares. So the next speed down from blue is yellow, so I'm going to try that one first. So let's pluck the yellow one off of there. There we go. That should be better. Let's pluck the blue one off of there. Put that on there to hold it. Okay. So, I'm going to do it again real quick. See if it's any different. So I went down one blower speed. Have to wait for it to fire up. So the manometer is back at 0. I'll mark this blue wire, medium, high, and then this will be yellow. Okay, I gotta wait for a second for the blower to start. And my filter, I don't know, it's about 4 months old. It's a 2-inch pleated. So we're zeroed out there. I'm putting the tip towards the airflow. Got nothing, the blower didn't start yet. It's about to. Let's see if my... There goes the blower. Oh yeah, my UV light's still working. Okay. So it would be best if I let it go for a second, but it's already lower than before. Initially. So I think I was getting closer to 0.5 before. So now I'm getting negative. We'll call it negative 0.39. That's alright. That down. Negative 0.39. Let's go into the next one. Towards the airflow. Let's see what I got. Okay, we'll call that, so just bouncing around a little, 0.22 to 0.24, call it 0.24. So if I'm at 0.24, that's well, it's 6.63 inches water column. So that's better than it was before. I could probably go down one more blower speed. Let's see what the temp rise is now. I'm still 74 in the return, I believe, and I'm at 124. I'm going to turn the gas off because I don't want to get too hot in the house. So I'm at 74 and 124. 30, that's 50. So now I'm on a 50-degree temp rise, and I have 0.63 inches of water column on the chart. So I'm close, and I'm on the yellow wire, so I'm about 1081. We can call it 1100. If I go to 1100 over here, it says I can max out at 64. So I want to be between, well, at 1100. Now that's what they want, 64. So I could slow it down one more speed, and I should get closer to where the design is. So let's do one more thing while it's running. I have a static, I have a hole on the other side of my return here, so I'm gonna go in here, see what I'm getting there. Negative 0.13. And on this side, going this way, oh, the blower just shut off because I turned the heat up. Let me just I'm going to turn it to fan on. Hold on a second. There we go, that'll run the fan. Alright. Now I know it's at a different speed, but I just wanted to see the drop across the filter. So I have negative 0.13 to negative 0.38. So let's write that down. So I had negative 0.13 and the return, negative 0.38 in the blower compartment, blower in on the other side. So that's my filter. So I've got a pretty big drop across there, and so I should probably change it or buy a bigger pleat. I have a 2-inch in there right now. It really should be a 4-inch. And I have one more that I can take. We're gonna go across the evap coil. Now keep in mind, it's just, I have the blower on right now, so I have no furnace, no heat. It's just fan on. 0.35. And .15. So that's a 0.2 drop across the dry evaporator coil. So I have the evap coil. It was a 0.2 inches. So I had about a little more than that across the filter, but I know I need to change it, and I know that I can lower my blower speed and heat one more to the next lowest speed. Thanks for watching. Use the blower chart.